The video's going.
Did we take it forward last time too?
This way, yeah.
I knew it would start to move again. What's that horrible sound there?
It might just be going on the track, like the bump sound.
The squeaky sound. Like, oh. Like that sound.
It's just the train on the tracks. Must be a squeaky wheel.
It's fastening up really quick.
Do you want me to get out with you?
Uh-huh. So that then we could record the whole thing.
Huh?
We could have went down to South Africa and record the whole thing again.
Yeah.
I told you we should have paused it.
Huh?
We should have just paused it and wait so we can get it moving.
Sorry, I should have.
It's okay. It was my fault anyways. I turned it off. We've been here for a long time
I
though.
know.
Recording. Means we're over and it started to move again.
Yeah. I think people are noticing the train because you're recording it. I feel like two people that went by looked over and saw you. Now they get to admire the trains too.
I told you it was going to be ending. There's probably going to be a few more tinkles after these, the ending. This is not the spot where somebody went to watch trains, but it's also a good spot.
It is a good spot.
I've never seen that one before.
The open one with like the circles?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's different. What do you think it carries? Lumber? I think it says
My tongue. Oh, I think it was raining. My car carriers. Then that's the ending of these car
I
carriers.
feel like there are always car carriers at the end.
No, they aren't anymore. Well, definitely not when Norfolk. Definitely when Norfolk Southern's there are car carriers. The DRX, there really aren't when they carry that stuff. It's usually just one of those things at the end.
Yeah.
Like the box ones, though.
Oh, the box one.
You know what I mean? Who's that? Who's that?
I don't know.
It's like this.
That would be cool. But I don't think it is.
Well, you're pointing the window.
Yeah? But I think he usually drives just trains.
Oh, true, because he drove through it. Should be ending too.
Should be ending soon, I agree.
It's really going fast up when it reaches window detail. It goes fast. It's definitely in the one track now. We didn't even have a chance to call Gigi yet, and we didn't even have a chance to go pick up Zane yet. The
I
train
know, we're gonna have to go right to Gigi's. At first I thought those were creepers
Where?
on that car carrier. There's like green graffiti on the bottom. I thought someone drew creepers.
Oh, is that one right
Yeah.
there? The Norfolk Southern one?
Yeah. That one just says check.
Where?
This
Oh,
one.
the
The
graffiti.
graffiti and then check.
I think I've seen that car before. There was some lighting on it. I know it's definitely seen a car like right that big. The car carriers usually have the graffiti all the
I
time.
know.
I don't
Everyone
know.
keeps looking at the train. I guess a lot of people like trains.
Probably.
Whoa, this one has
What the
people on
heck?
it. Do you see? That one looks like a vampire. No, maybe not. Lady. And then a guy playing an accordion.
And this one going down picture.
That could definitely be that. They use street lights to do that. Isn't that cool? Are we on 6 minutes? Holy moly. 14 minutes so far of... or 15 minutes so far of trains.
Oh, there was two. That makes sense. This one was stopped for a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, this one says check 2, but it's rainbow.
Oh, that's a good one. Sometimes graffiti people like them.
Huh?
Sometimes people don't do bad graffiti, just like check.
Yeah.
Because that cheating card's
This one says sugar.
sugar car. What one? Oh, that one.
Yeah.
I think those are the older car carriers over there.
Yeah.
When they first started out. 7 minutes so far. Okay, my tablet would not fit this, so I'm glad you put it on my old tablet.
Yeah.
It would not fit it at all.
I don't see any cars on these car carriers. Do you?
Mm-mm.
Huh. Maybe they're gonna fill up. I'm guessing not.
Well, yeah, they went to the train now, so maybe they emptied. Then they're going to, maybe they emptied so they can get to the train. Those ones are like the best so you can see through them.
Yeah.
Wow. There was no engine at the end of that one. There's probably an engine at the end, not for this one. It's probably why. You know.
Can you take a step back, honey? Sounds like it's slowing down again.
But why would it do that? It's on one track. It wouldn't stop.
I didn't say stop. I think it's just slowing. Where do you think the engine is? Near McDonald's? Past McDonald's.
Past, probably at the fire station.
You think so?
Yeah, probably. That's my guess.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Probably. You know how
Or
it's
do
on
you
that?
get Rodney Hunt or Walmart?
Oh, there was another one for someone DRM 2 weeks ago.
Where?
I have no idea, but I just saw it in his end.
Oh, here it is.
So that's 3 Norfolk Southern's off the track.
Yeah. I wonder if it's just because of the time of year. Just because it's icy and
Dude, but
cold.
it's usually weird.
Create some sort of rail warmers where when the train approaches it can turn on like heaters.
That's a good thing.